Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tech Library. Have you ever took out an iPhone and discover an unknown component inside it and wonder what that is? Then, you are at the right place. Today, I am going to guide you through the entire process. Let's get started. First time, go to your iPhone. Settings. Slide down and tap on General, then click on About. Here you will find your iPhone detail. Scrolling down and tap on Coverage. Now you will be able to see your devices. Tab on your iPhone, and you can see your coverage is expired. Click I'm Back Now on Safari browser and type appleid.apple.com. Sign in your account. If you don't have an account, then sign up. At the top right corner of your iPhone, you will see an edgy arrow pointing downwards. Click on it. You will see some option, click on Devices, and then on your iPhone. Now scroll down, you will see there some unknown part. If you recognized, then it means that there is a third-party service. And that's it. You've successfully identified an unknown part in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give us thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Library for more tech tips and tutorials. Got any questions or need more help? Drop a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.